Today's recipe is this very simple pudding which has very few ingredients, and we're going to make it with homemade condensed milk. So for this 100 ml of condensed milk, I'm going to be using 20 grams of butter, 45 grams of milk powder, 45 grams of powdered sugar, and just 1/4 cup of hot water. Put all of this into a blender or a mixer and just grind it to a very smooth paste. And that's how you make your condensed milk at home. Isn't that really simple and easy? And here you can see this lovely thick condensed milk, just like store-bought condensed milk. Now for the pudding, we will require 4 ingredients only. So to a mixing bowl, I'm going to add 1 egg. We're going to whisk the egg till the yolk and the white mixes in really well together. Once that is done, we're going to add just 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence or extract, whatever you use generally for your sweets or baking. Then we're going to add half a cup of milk, but first we're going to add only half the quantity of the milk. So it is half a cup of milk. Then we're going to add this 100 ml of condensed milk that we've made, or you can also use stock pot if you're not making it at home. Get in all that condensed milk, mix it in well, and then you're going to add the remaining milk. Again, whisk everything nicely together till you get this lovely smooth batter. Now I'm just going to grease a 6x6 cake tin with some butter. It's a small cake tin. We're going to pour the batter into this cake tin, and I'm going to place it into my pressure pan. Now I put a stand. I've seen that there's no rubber on the stand, or there's no, sometimes they have these rubber pellets on it. And I put a little bit of water, say about 1 cup of water, and I'm going to place this and put a cover on it, and I'm going to pressure cook this for 1 whistle on high, and then 25 minutes I'm going to simmer it or cook it on a slow flame. After that, let the cooker pressure pan itself cool down completely, and then you'll just insert a knife to check whether the pudding is done. If your knife should come out clean like this. Now let the pudding completely cool for 2 to 3 hours. You can even refrigerate it for longer if you want. Then just loosen the edges by running a knife through the edges like this to loosen the pudding. And then you're just going to demold it or take it out of the pan. So I just put a glass plate on top, topple it over like this, just giving it a pat or two. And there your lovely pudding comes out very easily. Now it may have some cracks. That's because it doesn't have any bread or anything solid into it. And then just cut it up into these little squares. And believe me friends, this is a melt in the mouth, simple yet delicious pudding. So I hope you give this recipe a try. It's really, really delicious. Today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.